up in her photo. She eat the deep fruit roll up. With the fruit roll up.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy KB, man. As y'all can see, we outside again. Got the dirt bike on the side of me, you know what I'm saying? Got the dirt bike fit too, you know what I'm saying? Check me out. If y'all want to fuck with that, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. But look, I'm about to be showing y'all my little tricks and some shit. I've been trying to, you know what I'm saying, get better. I've been popping the wheelies or some shit. We got my boy Jeff behind the camera. You know what I'm saying? You see what's down, dog? Yeah. It's good. So yeah, no further ado, man. Y'all stay tuned. About to get jumping straight to that bitch, man. Let's go. I want you to go first on some shit. Cause the way I pop it, it might not be the right way, but like.
No, son. I ain't ride a little bike in a minute, son. Yeah, we gotta come out of retirement.
But he gotta come out of retirement with it.
Bro, tough. I'm used to them 2 screws, yeah.
Go.
Oh, I can't bust that, man. I can't do it.
I don't even do it like, how you do it like that, dude?
I can't bust it, bro.
How you do it like that, dude, gang?
I don't know, bro. Like, you just gotta pop the clutch, like.
What so you supposed to?
Like, when it's in its right power, bro, you pop the clutch, bro, that bitch come up.
Oh, so it's the bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably need some more power.
You need some more power, bro. See, my bike's a 2-screw. So as soon as you hit that bitch, come up.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, all right. So look, I'm gonna show y'all how I be doing it. It's really not the right way, but like I do it like this. That's the only way I know. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it.
But. Down with it, bro. Man, what? You better know what he doing, bro. You better know what he doing.
Yeah, that's how I do it.
What you mean? You gotta go again, bro?
Yeah, that's it. Oh,
man, ain't really seen nothing. Bro, oh, alright.
Hold up.
Oh, you do yours your first go.
What you think? The bike can't pick up itself? Like, I don't know that bitch. You know, this like.
I don't know, brother. Like you need some more practice, bro.
I need some more practice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need some more practice, bro.
Where y'all boys coming from? School?
Park right there.
Who over there?
Absolutely nobody for real.
Oh shit.
My son worked.
Hey, you look got hit by that truck, bro.
Oh yeah, leak, bitch. I'm right.
Are you supposed to be standing up? What you doing, bro? Man, this nigga is wild. Man, y'all look. I tried to do that one time. I almost fucking around, fell out the bike coming down the park.
Look, bro.
What's that?
Yeah, April, bro. You gotta pop out with me, gang.
April, what's on April? So you got bread. Who y'all think won? I really think I won, but I'm gonna give it to him just because he started standing up on that bitch for real. On top of the seat on some shit. How you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling good, boy.
But look, y'all, I got one more. Well, I really did all my tricks. So shit. You got more tricks?
I
don't really know.
I got a little trick,
Alright, we gonna let him end it all. Oh, you that dirt bike? You that four wheeler?
Definitely a phone.
Probably by the gas or some shit.
You want me to go get my shit?
Yeah, go get your shit. Go get your shit.
I might get my ass beat.
You gonna get your ass beat. Wow, when that nigga come outside, everybody come outside.
See how that bitch moving? He about to fuck over pushing. I ain't gonna lie, game about to fuck over.
That's like a 250.
Yeah.
Boy, that's that full stroke.
That
Yeah.
bitch crazy.
Yo.
Son.
That's a 450?
450.
I just said that.
That bitch is hard.
Oh,
Waiting
I
on
want
my
to
body.
get
He got a green color.
Yeah, that's what I got. I got a KX 100. 2 screw. Yeah.
He got a green 450 on Kawasaki.
That's a fresh like on my bike.
Hey, we teasing that boy.
I just got my shit back though after like 5 months. I fell off my shit.
Ooh,
You
shit.
willing that, bro?
Huh?
Yo, fella
I be
willing?
trying. This bitch got a lot of power here. Yeah, this bitch got a lot of power.
We got a little trick in the building here.
We gotta fuck with the next YouTube video.
Yo, come up. Come on. Like that. Now look. Stay still like that. Pop the clutch and hit the gas.
I'm not doing this.
Hit that bitch. Stop being scared.
Oh,
Hit
bro, I'm not doing that,
it. They gon' come up, brother. Stop. Yeah, see? Shit, y'all a little something.
Wait, what happened?
You gotta stop
We
being
gonna let him- we
scared,
gonna let him-
brother.
It's like, I don't know, bitch.
That's how it was for me, buddy.
Just keep popping really on that bitch, bro. I tell you, bro. I tell you.
Man, we got everybody outside the dirt bike.
Say, look, if you do a next video, bro, if you do a next boxing video,
That bitch not a new-
you gotta pop, bro.
That bitch hype with it. That bitch hype with it. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. Nah, that bitch hype for sure though. That bitch hype for sure. Alright, try to end the video, man, as y'all can see. We both showed y'all little tricks or some
That boy
shit.
King Willie.
I King Willie. But look, I'm learning. Look, he didn't tell me how to, you know what I'm saying, get off the ground. Now I know how to, you know what I'm saying?
My son gonna get big. Gotta keep practicing.
That was my first time. That was my first time doing that shit. That was my first time. That was my first time.
That was
You know
really
what I'm
first
saying?
time.
Learning how to do that shit, you know what I'm saying? I hope.
Take time.
Real,
Keep
real.
practicing.
Right. You got something to say, gang?
Nah.
Ain't got nothing to say, you know what I'm saying? What's your Instagram?
Shit, my shit no limit Jeff._, you hear me?
It's good. So look, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. Y'all stay tuned. And we out, gang. We'll see y'all in the next video, man. Subscribe.